Hello everyone. In the last session we have discussed the basic of work and time problems. So in the first video we learned about the basic of work and time, how fundamentally we can relate the problem of work and time to the real world entities. So today now we will discuss some questions related to work and time. In mathematics, practice of questions clear our fundamentals. Only then we will have clear and crisp idea of mathematical problem. So let's now discuss the questions related to work and time. So question number first is, all the student try to solve this question, pause the video and try to do it yourself and then see the solution. So question number first is, Tom, Jerry and Bob can complete a work separately in 24, 36 and 48 days respectively. They started together, but Bob left after 4 days of start and Tom left 3 days before the completion of work. In how many days work will be completed? So the question is that Tom, Jerry and Bob, they are working together. First, Bob left the work, means after 4 days. So that means all they worked together for the first 4 days. Then after Bob left the job, then Tom left 3 days before the completion of work. So Tom also left the work before the completion of work, 3 days before the completion of work. So, so Tom is taking 24 days, Jerry taking 36 days, Bob taking 48 days. So first find the LCM of 24, 36 and 48 quickly. So LCM will be the 144. So we are considering 144 unit of work for this question so that we can solve it easily. What will be the efficiency of Tom, Jerry and Bob? Efficiency of Tom will be the 144 divided by the number of days, that are 24. So 6 unit per day he will complete. Efficiency of Jerry will be 4 unit per day and the efficiency of Bob will be the 3 unit per day. So as per question, they started working together and worked together for 4 days. So total efficiency of Tom, Jerry and Bob will be the 6 plus 4 plus 3, 13 units per day. So how many units of work they will finish in 4 days? Calculate it, students. You have to calculate. They will finish 13 into 4, that is 52 unit of the work. Now Bob left the work after 4 days of start and Tom left 3 days before the completion of work. That means only Jerry worked in the last 3 days. So how much unit of work will be finished by Jerry in the last 3 days? The efficiency of Jerry is 4 and number of days are 3, so 12 unit of work he will finish. So first 4 days and last 3 days total unit of work completed is 52 plus 12, that is the 64. How many are the balance unit of work to be done? Total unit of work we have considered as 144 and out of that 64 are done. Now the 80 unit of work is to be completed. These units are to be done by Tom and Jerry because after 4 days Bob left the job. Then so Tom and Jerry efficiency will be 6 plus 4, 10 units per day. As per question, they have to finish the balance 80 unit of the work. So how many days they will take to finish the 80 unit of work? If they are completing 10 unit of work in a day, 8 days. They will take 8 days for 80 unit of the work. So students, sum of the total number of days taken to complete the whole task. Total number of days will be 4, the initial days all were working together, plus 8 plus 3, that will be the 15 days. So the option A will be the correct answer. Question number 2 is, Tom can do a piece of work in 10 days, working 8 hours per day. Then Jerry is 2/3 as efficient as Tom. Then in how many days can Jerry alone do the same piece of work, working per hour per day? So here in this question, Tom is working 8 hours per day and for the 10 days he will work. So total number of hours will be 80 hours for the Tom to complete the total work. In this question, number of days taken by the Tom to do that work are provided. So we can consider the total unit of work as a multiple of the number of hours taken by the Tom to do the work. So in that way, we are considering total unit of work as 80. So as per this, the efficiency of Tom will be 80 by 80. It will be the 1 unit per day. So here only number of days taken provided for Tom only. On LCM side, take total unit of work as 80 unit. So here we find out the efficiency of Tom is equal to 1. As per question, Jerry is 2-3 as efficient as Tom. As per our solution, efficiency of Tom is 1. As per our consideration, efficiency of Tom is 1. So the efficiency of Jerry will be the 2/3 of the efficiency of Tom. And efficiency of Tom is equal to 1. So efficiency of Jerry will be 2 by 3. And total work is 80 units. So number of hours taken by Jerry will be total work upon efficiency. That will be equal to 80 divided by 2 by 3. That will comes out to be 120 hours. And he is working 5 hours per day. So number of days will be 120 divided by 5. That will be equal to 24 days. So the option D will be the correct answer. So next, go to the next question. Student, pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Now we are reading the problem. Tom is thrice as good a workman as Jerry, and so takes 60 days less than Jerry for doing his job. The time in which they can do the job together is. In this question, basically, Tom is thrice as good a workman. That means Tom is 3 times more efficient than Jerry. If the efficiency of Jerry is 1, Tom efficiency will be 3. So by that way, we will assume the efficiency of Tom as 3 and efficiency of Jerry as 1. And the total unit of work we will consider as the LCM of the efficiency. That will be the 3 or the multiple of efficiency. So total unit of work we are considering as 3. And we don't know how much time Tom will take and how much time Jerry will take. Only what we know that they have the difference of 60 days. Jerry takes 60 days more than the Tom. So if total unit of work are 3 and efficiency of Tom is 3, then the number of days, how many days he will take to finish that work? He will take only 1 day. And Jerry will take to do the same work. That will be the total work upon the efficiency of Jerry. Efficiency of Jerry is 1. So Jerry will take 3 days to do a work of 3 units. So here we can see that Tom takes 2 days less than Jerry if the total number of unit of work are 3. But as per question, Tom takes 60 days less than Jerry. So multiply the number of days taken by Tom and Jerry by 30 and also multiply the total unit of work. So then the total unit of work will be 3 into 30. That will be the 90. Time taken by Tom and Jerry will be total work upon the sum of their efficiency. Their efficiency will be 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and total unit of work will be 90. And this way Tom will take 30 days because 1 into 30 it will be the 30 days and Jerry will take 90 days. So there is a difference of 60 days as per mentioned in the question. So both they will take 45.2 days to complete that work. So the option A will be the correct answer. So now we will move to the next question. Next question is a little bit tricky question. To do a piece of work, Jerry takes 3 times as long as Tom and Bob together. To do a piece of work, Jerry takes 3 times as long as Tom and Bob together, and Bob takes twice time as long as Tom and Jerry together. If Tom, Jerry, and Bob together can complete the work in 10 days, how long Tom will take to complete the work alone? They can ask about Jerry, how much time he will take alone to complete the work. So, we will discuss this question. Jerry is taking 3 times as long as Tom and Bob together. So, all together they are doing a work in 10 days. So, total unit of work we will consider as a multiple of number of days taken by all together. We can consider total unit of work 10 also, 20 also, 30 also, 40 also, 50 also, 60 also, whatever. That should be the multiple of 10. So here we assume total unit of work as 60. Then the efficiency will be 60 by 10 will be equal to 6. So the efficiency of Tom plus Jerry plus Bob will be 6. As per question, Jerry takes 3 times as long as Tom and Bob together. So the efficiency of 3 times Jerry will be equal to Tom and Bob, because Jerry is taking 3 times more time than Tom plus Bob. So it is said in the question. So the efficiency of 3 times Jerry will be equal to Tom plus Bob. So put this value in Tom plus Bob plus Jerry, that is equal to 6. Then we will get 3 times of Jerry plus Jerry is equal to 6. So Jerry efficiency will come to 6 by 4. That will be equal to 3 by 2. In next part of the question, Bob takes twice time as long as Tom and Jerry. So the efficiency relation will be 2 times of the Bob efficiency will be equal to Tom plus Jerry. So put this value in Tom plus Jerry plus Bob is equal to 6 equation. So in that way, we will get 3 times of Bob is equal to 6. So Bob efficiency will be 2. So now efficiency of Bob is 2, Jerry efficiency is 3 by 2, and all together they have efficiency of 6. So we can find out Tom efficiency easily. That will be the 6 minus 2 minus 3 by 2. We are getting 5 by 2. So the efficiency of Tom is 5 by 2. So Tom efficiency is 5 by 2 and unit of work to be completed are 60. So time taken by Tom will be work upon his efficiency. So that will be 60 divided by 5 by 2. It will come 24 days. So 24 will be the right answer. Option A is the correct answer. So move to the next question. Next question is Tom, Jerry, and Bob can do a piece of work in 11, 20 days, and 55 days respectively. Working alone. If they are working alone, they will take 11, 20, 55 days. How much time the work can be done if Tom is assisted by Jerry and Bob on alternate days? That means one day all three are working together. Next day, Tom alone will do the work. Then the third day, all will do the work together. And alternate days, Tom will be alone. So we have to find out how many days the work will be finished. So here Tom takes 11 days, Jerry takes 20 days, Bob takes 55 days. So quickly we have to find out the LCM of all these 3 time parameters. So if LCM of these 3 numbers is 220, then we will calculate the efficiency of Tom, Jerry and Bob. Tom efficiency will be 20 and Jerry efficiency will be 11 and Bob efficiency will be 4. So first of all, they are working together. Then how many unit of work they will finish in a day? So that will be the sum of their efficiency, 20 plus 11 plus 4. So 35 units per day they will do. So the first day they will do 35 units. Second day, Tom alone is working. Jerry and Bob are on leave. So second day, Bob will finish 20 unit of work. So in the 2 days, how many unit of work they will do? They will do 35 plus 20 unit of work. That will be the 55 units. And the total unit of work are to be completed is 220. So if 220 is divided by 55, we will get 4 pair of 2 days. Means 4 pair of days. So then the total number of days taken will be 4 into 2, 8 days. So they will take 8 days to finish this work. So in the next session, we will discuss the question based on the multiple persons, like X number of men, Y number of women, and Z number of boys are working together. In this session, we were discussing only the individuals who were working. They were working together separately, combinedly. They were working together. They were joining the work after few days. They were leaving the work before few days. So such problems we discussed in this session. Next session, we will discuss the problems where multiple person, multiple entity are working together. So thank you for watching the video. Wait for more educational videos. Thank you. Thank you so much.